Come on, guys. We need to go. Go where? I don't know. Just that bird. I'm pretty sure it's a bird. Yes, I am standing on all fours. No, you aren't. Aww. Yay, rubbing my face. So, who are you birds? Because Papa Akachala, salad fish. Why, hello there. Yes, quite. I am Mrs. Owl. I am Mr. Owl. You look like baby falcons. Shut up, you little muffin faces. Oh yeah, you remember that one time, Love Pup, when I was talking about the person who was gonna train you? Yeah? Ow. Well, it might be a little while until we see him again. Why? And let's just say he's brown. Ew. No, his fur is brown. And no, it's not Mr. Moose. It's kind of more of a lighter brown, like a slightly lighter version of the Miss Salmon Lips, that nurse that we met. Oh yeah. Now here comes our leader. Bum, 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 bum. Whee! So, who are you? I'm Poodles, this is Ho-Ho, and his name is Dave. Why, hello there. Yes, quite. Why are you British? I don't know. It's Dave, he's British. He's made in Britain. So, my name's Love Pup. Who are you? I am Red. Not the Pokemon trainer, that bird. You know, Angry Birds? Oh, do you even play that game? No. Let's fight! That was kind of a stab. Okay, wait, Oh, it's a call for me. I'm gonna have to take this. Alright, Poodles. So, how are you? I'm good. What the heck were those giant legs? Yeah, I think they were giant legs. Oh, there they go again. Weird. Good news, Love Pup. Why are you staring at us? Because I hope there was the giant legs. Because I can. Yeah. Love Pup. You know the Grinch? Yeah? Remember the dog? Yeah? Just remember the dog. So we've defeated them, I was about to say. Holy cow, it just misses entirely. This is amazing. Huh. Hey, oh, Jackie. I think he might be dead. Did we get him? I wish of you destroy this person and be with one of your punches and kick and sitting on his face. Oh, I didn't even think that would work. Sitting on the toilet. Is there a bee? Scared. We did it. Guys, you can come out from hiding now. What? We weren't hiding. Yeah. You have shown me your power. Shall I join your side? Sure, you can be our friend. Okay, you should put your hat on. It looks weird. Alright. Tune in next time, because you can. Lizard hat.